Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to make a phone call using Siri on Android. So first of all, go to your Play Store and download the app of Voice Access. So simply I already downloaded Voice Access, so open it. So turn to OK. So these are the interface of accessibility of Voice Access. So click to mono audio, turn on, and these are the text to speech. So you will be see the steps to turn on. To select to speak, turn on, and talk back, turn on. So scroll down and click to voice access to turn on. So turn it on voice access and click to OK. Get to more settings. So it will be opened and these are the categories: basic navigation. So turn on the activation button, so it will be on your home screen like this. So I will use it. So I will calling call. So these are also access required, so you tap one and click to allow, and again box number one select, and it's say location turn on. So you will be also go to permissions and turn on the location of your mobile phone and microphone. So this is will be I will operate. I will speak call the lifeline in my contacts. So see, it's working. It's calling automatically. So this is how to use Siri on Android. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.